Hiring sales reps costs $50,000 to $80,000 a year, and tools like Apollo, ZoomInfo, and Outreach charge hundreds of dollars a month. For I'm about to show you how to build completely for free. I built an AI sales team using Claude Code that researches any company, finds decision makers, qualifies leads, and generates personalized outreach sequences, all with one prompt. By the end of this video, you'll have the same exact tool installed on your computer and running without needing to code. Here's what nobody's talking about. Every founder, freelancer, and agency owner needs to sell, but most people are terrible at prospecting. They either spend hours manually researching companies, or they blast generic cold emails that get completely ignored. This fixes both problems. What I built is a set of AI sales skills for Claude Code, 14 different commands that analyze prospects, score leads, map the buying committee, write cold outreach sequences, prep you for meetings, and even generate a professional PDF pipeline report. And the flagship command launches 5 agents in parallel to do a full prospect audit in under 1 minute. Let me show you how this works, and then I want to walk you through how to install it so you can run this in any prospect you're going after. Let's get started. All right, so I'm going to do a quick demo for you and run this on a popular website called loom.com. So I'm in my Claude Code here. Again, don't worry, I'm going to show you how to install all of this if you're new to this. So I'm just going to run sales prospect. Okay, there you go. So I'm just going to tab and I'm just going to do loom.com. Okay, so I'm going to press enter, and now Claude Code is going to run this analysis on loom.com based on the skills that are inside the instructions on this GitHub repo right here. So again, this is available for you completely for free. I'm going to show you how to install this in a little bit. If I go back to my Visual Studio Code, as you can see, what's happening right now is 5 agents. So right here, it says this is running phase 2, launching 5 parallel analysis sub agents. Now, each agent is doing something different, right? One is researching the company, one is finding the decision makers, one is scoring the opportunity, one's analyzing their competitors, and one's building an outreach strategy, all at the same time. So I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this because otherwise it's going to take a couple of minutes, and then I'm going to show you exactly what the result looks like. All right, perfect. So it finished the analysis. It gave the score breakdown, key decision maker. It found the head of VP of revenue, head of sales. Now, obviously, this is a little hard to read because inside our Claude Code. So I ran another little quick note to generate the PDF, and it generated this really nice little PDF file for us. So as you can see, this is the sales pipeline report for loom.com. So Loom is scored 75 out of 100, making it a high priority target worth immediate senior level attention. And in the bottom, this shows the score breakdown. Again, the score breakdown is essentially telling you whether this prospect is even worth your time, right? And in the bottom, as you can see, it says top prospect, Loom, outreach ready, right? It also gives you the next step. Send a LinkedIn request and a cold email to Nick Feeney, VP of Revenue, referencing GTM 10 Award 2025, right? It gives you the pipeline summary. In the bottom, it gives you clear action plan, what you can do for immediately for quick wins, what you can do this week, this month, scoring methodology. All of this is done for you in a matter of minutes. This would take, the same process would take a sales rep 2 to 3 hours a day doing manually, things like LinkedIn stalking, right? Checking Crunchbase, reading their blog, figuring out who to email. Now we're doing all of this in under 2 minutes. And that's the beauty of Claude Code and giving it specific skills. You're basically essentially making it an expert in your own domain. Now the skills inside this repo not only does give you a really nice report, but also you can do things like decision-making identification. You can do cold outreach email sequence, follow-up email sequence, meeting preparation brief, client proposal generator, objective handling playbook, customer profile builder, competitive intelligence, and much, much more. This is completely packed with everything you need because it's a true sales team for you. By the way, this GitHub repo is in the description. This is completely free for you guys. So I'm going to show you how to install this in a little bit. And if you're interested in learning how to make money and start your agency so you can sell these services, check out the community. Link is going to be in the description. This how to build and sell with Claude Code. We go through projects step by step, how to reach out to clients to start and give these services. So if you're interested, check that out again. All right, so let's go ahead and now start building this thing step by step. All right, so the first thing you need to do is to install Visual Studio Code. Again, this is completely for free, depending on whether you're using Mac or Windows. Of course, just go ahead and head over to code.visualstudio.com. You can download this. Visual Studio Code, for those of you not familiar, is an IDE, which stands for Integrated Developer Environment. Essentially, it's a fancy way to say that all of your files and your ability to interact with Claude Code and everything else is going to be inside this one cohesive environment. All right, so once you go ahead and download that, so it's going to look something like this. Let me go ahead and just open a new folder. So I'm just going to create a new folder here, just call it test. Click on open. Now this is going to open up my brand new folder here. So this is what your Visual Studio Code is going to look like. So I'm going to go ahead and on the right hand side, get rid of this chat window. And as you can see right here, I'm inside my test folder. So what I'm going to do is, obviously we need to use Claude Code. If you haven't installed Claude Code, you're going to click on the extensions here and you're going to search for Claude Code, or this is the one. I think usually it's the most popular one. So make sure you're installing this one, which is the 6 million downloads already, and it's by Anthropic. So once you download this, now you have this enabled, and on the top right hand corner, you'll see the Claude Code logo shows up. So if I click on this, now I have Claude Code open here. Of course, you need to have a subscription for Claude Code, obviously, otherwise this wouldn't work. But honestly, it's worth the subscription. Go ahead and get started. All right, so let me go ahead and show you the different, first of all, let me show you how to install this so that way you can have access to it from your Claude Code. And then I'm going to go through the different skills that are inside this file so that way you can see exactly which one you want to use. Okay, so once you have your Claude Code installed, what you're going to do is come here on the top right hand corner here. You're going to click on this, and this is going to open up your terminal. The reason why we're doing this, don't worry, you don't have to code or anything like that. The reason we're doing this is because we need to install our GitHub skills, right? So once you come here, all you have to do is, again, click on the link in the description. It's going to bring you to this GitHub repo that I created for you guys. All you have to do is come to the bottom and click and copy this code right here, this piece of code. You're going to click on this. It's going to copy. It's just basically a one command installation for all of these skills that are available inside this tool, basically. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my Visual Studio Code. I'm going to paste that. I'm going to press enter. And now, as you can see, all of this gets installed. So let me pull this up a little bit. There you go. It says AI sales team, Claude Code skills, 14 skills, 5 agents, 4 scripts, PDF, all installed, right? It cloned it from GitHub and installed all the different features. And as you can see, these are the command references that are now available for you, with each explaining what it does. So now if I want to check to make sure that this is available for me, all I have to do is type / and search for sales, and there you go. All of these / commands are now available for me. We just earlier ran sales prospect. Now I'm going to show you exactly what are the other commands that are super useful that are available for, here for you. So let's go ahead and run, because last time we ran it on loom.com. Loom.com is a pretty big company still, but let's go ahead and run it on some kind of a small startup, or it doesn't have to be small. Again, let's just do whatever is a small app. So this linear.app, I don't know how big they are, to be honest. I was just like searching to see what would be a good company to run with. They're just a product development system for teams and agents. So I'm going to go ahead and just literally run this on linear.app. So again, feel free to run this on any website or any company you're prospecting and, trying to test out here. So what we're going to do is same thing, go back to our Visual Studio Code here, and then I'm going to go ahead and run sales contact. Let's say I want to find out the contacts for this company, right? So all I have to do is come to this command, press tab, and we're going to do linear.app. Whoops, that's not what I meant to do. Linear.app. I'm going to press enter. So now what Claude Code is going to do is it's going to look inside the sales contact skills file, which is basically an instruction. So if I go inside my AI sales team, inside the skills folder, we just ran sales contact skill.md. So Claude Code is basically going to run based on this instruction. So it's saying decision maker intelligence and contact strategy. You're a decision maker intelligence engine for sales contact URL, which is going to be that linear.app or whatever website you're using. You identify the buying community, map the organization hierarchy, find personal anchors for each contact, and build a multi-thread engagement strategy. So all of this instruction is inside the skills.md file. And all of this is basically that sales-contacts / command that we just ran, right? So if I go back to my, you got to make sure you're allowing for it to fetch URL and search the different things that it needs to search for. So that's something that obviously Claude is going to ask you, but it's going to now go ahead and find out all those details based on again, the instructions that are inside our skills.md file right here. So let's go ahead and let this finish. All right, there you go. So it finished. As you can see, decision maker intelligence complete. By the way, it also created this nice little file on the left-hand side. It says decisionmakers.md. So let me actually get rid of this terminal so you can see this better. Of course, this could be generated in a PDF as well, but essentially it gives you a nice little executive summary. It gives you the buying committee map, the organization chart. Again, this is the one that actually replaces your ZoomInfo or LinkedIn Sales Navigator subscription for you, right? Because it maps out the entire buying committee, who's the economic buyer, who's the champion. Like right here, as you can see, it says recommended approach, lead with Casey Berthenhall, champion for sales and ops tools, or Christina Cordova, right? So it gives you all of that information, who's the technical evaluator, who might be a blocker, right? And for each person, it finds personalized anchors for you on things they have posted about, talks they have given, projects they're working on. So your outreach doesn't sound like a template, right? Everything is personalized for you. And of course, it gives you recommended approaches. It gives you the priority 3, right? And a bunch of other information that again would take a salesperson manually using multiple different tools, several hours to do this. So again, that's just one of the skills that's available inside this. So now let's go ahead and run another one quickly. So now I'm going to type /sales again. And this time we're going to do outreach. Okay. So I'm going to do outreach. I don't have to type the linear.app again. It's going to automatically figure that out by itself. So what this one is going to do, this is going to take everything from that research and the contact and turn it into 5 email cold outreach sequences, right? And again, all of this is based on the instructions that's inside our skill.md file. So if I go back to my skills again and click on the sales outreach, skill.md. So these are all of the instructions that it's going to go ahead and do a cold outreach sequence generator for you, right? Based on the web research for the different topics, the executive queries, right? These are things that it's going to execute: the funding, product launch, hiring, partnership announcement, expansions, news, CEO interview, and all sorts of other instructions that are inside this skill.md file that Claude is going to follow to generate a nice sales outreach for us. So let's go ahead and let this thing finish. All right, perfect. So it finished. And now let's go ahead and click on this outreach sequence right here. And there you go. All right. So personalized research. Again, this is not high. I noticed your company is doing great things. This is like hyper personalized based on actual intel that the agents gathered here, right? And it also gives you LinkedIn touch points between emails and A/B variation for testing. So as you can see right here, the first email it generated for you, it says the hook day 1, right? Subject line: Linear's agent era, your name, February 26th launch caught my eye. Christina, Linear's rebrand around agentic workflows last week is a real signal. New era, same craft, is a precise way to frame what's happening to the whole dev tooling category. Your company helps, again, this will be your company, helps similar SaaS companies, again, whatever stage you're in, handle the specific problem that emerges during this kind of transition, right? 1-sentence metrics. Teams typically save X hours per week, or we helped whatever case study you've had in your company, do Y. Worth 15 minutes to see if timing makes sense, right? Your name, title, company, phone call. So that's kind of your first cold email outreach template. Second one, Christina, send a note on Monday. Wanted to share something regardless of timing, right? So as you can see right here, this is the value add on day 3. And then afterwards, it shows you exactly what to do, the social proof on day 7, right? So it's giving you really step-by-step approaches and then what to do next if the prospect doesn't respond. So even on day 21, you got Christina, sounds like the timing isn't right. No worries. If the specific problem becomes a priority as you scale with GTM team, your product, whatever your product is the easiest way to reach me. Email, left a resource in the link, and if it's useful, down the road, right? Things like this. So again, very step-by-step day-to-day guide on what to do and how to do cold outreach. Same thing. The second sequence is going to be to Casey, head of sales, right? This is going to be specifically to him based on what he has proposed and based on his LinkedIn post and based on the research that the agent completed for Casey personally, right? So it says, Casey, you joined Gong when it was tiny and stayed through the 200 million ARR. You have watched what a great sales stack actually looks like at every stage of your journey. Your company, whatever your company, is built for the exact moment Linear is in right now, right? Past product market fit, moving up mark, small sales team trying to punch above its weight, blah, blah, blah. So as you can see, it gives you specific emails, cold emails for the person that you're targeting. And not only that, it gives you what to do on day 1, what to do on day 3, day 7, day 21, so on and so forth. So as you can see, this is specifically personalized and well made for whatever company you're searching for. Again, this will save your entire, if it's a company that has a sales teams, it will save them hundreds of hours combined if you run tools like this. So check it out. Again, there's a bunch of other, of course, there's a bunch of other skills here, things like, qualifying the lead, generating the sales report, doing an entire sales report from start to finish, sales research, follow-ups, competitor analysis, ICP, objections, and everything else. And of course, if let's say they jump on a call with you, right, you can run this little sales prep command and it'll give you exactly what to do. It'll give you the competitive landscape, the industry contacts, and everything else you need in order for you to have this nice little cheat sheet so that way you can be prepared for that meeting. So yeah, check out the GitHub here. And again, hopefully you found this video helpful. Again, if you're interested in checking out the community where we talk about how to reach out to actual clients, if you're selling GEO, SEO, or marketing, or the sales team with Claude Code and a bunch of other content that we have in the classroom. If you're starting your AI agency, we have an entire 5-week program, day-to-day accountability on how to start your AI agency based on my own personal experience that I've run an AI agency for a while. So all of the content in there is for complete beginners. You don't need to know code or anything like that. Check out the community. If not, thanks for watching and make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.